Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 6 free software that are absolutely awesome in 2025. So in this video I'm going to share with you the top 6 software that are absolutely awesome in 2025. So the first in line is OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a powerful open source software for video recording and live streaming. It is widely used by content creators for its versatility and ease to use. And the next in line is also a food sketcher. This software turns your photos into a beautiful art pieces with various styles like sketches, also painting, and a cartoons also. So you can also use BleachBit, which is a desk cleaner and a privacy manager that helps you free up space and maintain your privacy by deleting unnecessary files on your computer system. So next also, which is the top 4, I call it number 4, is also a Kodi. A Kodi is a home theater software that allows you to play and view most videos, music, podcasts, and other media files from local and network storage media on the internet. And the next thing is also Flux. Flux is also adjust your display color, temperature, and according to the times of the day, reducing the eye strain and helping you sleep better. Then the last but not the least is what you call LMMS, which is Linux Multimedia Studio. Linux Multimedia Studio is a digital audio workstation that allows you to produce music with your computer, and also it includes a wide range of instruments and effects. And that's it. In this video, if you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.